It's story time! It's story time! I'm so excited that all my friends are here for this special Christmas story time. Look at all the beautiful decorations behind us. Story time is one of our favorite activities to do together. Let's find out what we're reading today. Hi, friends. Thanks for joining us for a special Christmas story time today. Today we are reading the book, How Do Dinosaurs Say Merry Christmas? This book is written by Jane Yolen and illustrated by Mark Teague. On Christmas Eve, does a dinosaur sleep? Does he go up to bed without making a peep? Or does he sneak out just to check what's to see? Does he rip open presents set under the tree? Does he pick off some ornaments, angels and all? Does he shake up the tree so the rest of them fall? Does he eat all the cookies left out for St. Nick, giving each candy cane one sloppy lick? Does he upend the stockings right onto the floor? Does he pick out the best gifts so he will have more? No, a dinosaur doesn't. He carols with care. He helps trim the tree so no branches are bare. He eats all his dinner, then clears away dishes, and gives his grandparents big Christmas Eve wishes. When Santa arrives, he's tucked in. Hear him snore. Merry Christmas, you good dinosaur. Thanks for joining us for this special Christmas story time, friends. That was so much fun. See you